Do you regularly review your business model? Does your business still follow your vision? As your business grows, it's important to ensure that it continues to align with your vision. Otherwise, you will have a hard time scaling it. And so, conduct periodic reviews to assess if your business model still reflects your vision and make necessary adjustments constantly. Let's talk about Camille, who owns a hair accessory boutique. Camille had a big dream when she started her business. She wanted to make stylish hair accessories accessible to everyone. And as her business grew, Camille noticed it was moving away from her original idea. So she decided to shake things up. Camille restructured her business model to focus more on affordability and inclusivity. By reviewing and adapting her business model, Camille made sure her boutique stayed true to her vision of making stylish hair accessories available to all. Now, her boutique was back on track, doing exactly what she had set out to do from the beginning.